Assam Assembly along Kachiperai pon state budget laso ke place along hemkang tirlong pen kapang dak pon Karbiang long arat aphan isi kachak le hin sai ke deng pon state university ki piponji po puthak nili Karbiang long autonomous council CEM mate Karbiang long team Karbiang long hin pen Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma honorable chief minister la pen ke finance minister on jonta nigo phan kuru ang thula pen kachuro pajirlo Karbiang long autonomous council pen nili tum isi long cheperai pon elo ya khanduli long si state university ke biponik po la pen chiri suri pho along le nilitum state university amen pen nilitum isi along cheperai pon elo la pen ke dipu university campus abang ke full fledged university aphan nilitum bori pon bomlo central human resource minister long nilitum batai damlo aben prabjin pen ningkan si inyang bom full fledged university central university ke chogi phansi ang dam bom lo la penilining ang sangtar ke la ningkan si inyang bom difu university campus tame full fledged university central university ke longji phansi angring the tando la pen ke difu government college salong ma ke upgrade pen difu university ki bi po bangke la ke ahok kali ethe option hini ki bi do state university ma kanangji mate difu government college pang tui thu chot si difu government college along state university da kapilut jalam do la sila bang kalilo da bangke difu university campus abang ke full fledged university do po difu government college lagi difu government college sido po west Karbiang long khandule long chiri suri pho along le nitum allotment pialo hudaksi state university ke biponik po lasi inut bahini Karbiang long ara tum manghunang ne ethele tum education of thak apa prangji phansi pinida Assam government aphan nitum batai chunirisi state university labang gel tum west Karbiang long sidui po central university full fledged non difu campus long mare full fledged university se present to mori bomlo ban prabjin pen ki chunji phansi ang thek dolo la pen ke dak monthi nangji non ke do elementary education secondary education higher education la pen ke dak polytechnic pen chenglok diet pen chenglok non low college tamil tum handar tender korelo la pen B.Ed college tame west Karbiang long tender korelo la hai tame state education policy pen sideng pon tabe state government pen si Horeng awar sai pen chenglok la hai staff lecturer professor atum phan asilirian tame la hai tame state government pen sinan pon la pen ke institution a building anta la pen staff quarter anta me state government basina pom no la non da state university ta la me state government pen si la institution a building men chenglok staff quarter pen chenglok la pen ke oda ki juna lang pen chenglok angton da salary pen chenglok anta me Assam government pen si na pi ko lanjut